Inside Fusion 360, if we show the data panel, we see the name of the project that we're working in and any of the designs. If I click on the name of the project, it opens up Autodesk A360. Here we see the name of the project and all the designs in that project. I can view those as list or as these small previews. And here are all the designs. I can also upload from here, whether it be a file, a folder, or an assembly. I can create new folders for my designs. Let's have a look at one of the designs inside here. I can click on Overview. And if this particular design is used or referenced by anything, it shows. In this case, there are none. Let's view one of the renderings done on the cloud. These are the cloud renderings that are automatically created in your design. Back to the project, Fusion Training. I can also share. In this case, I've turned on sharing and have a URL that I can copy and then share with my design team. Let's go to another part. I can download this part in a variety of formats, from Inventor down to STL or FBX. I can edit, copy, move, rename, or delete. Let's try edit. And what that does is that it opens up or launches Autodesk Fusion 360. And in a couple of seconds, that part or design will open up. In this brief demonstration, we've shown that A360 allows you to collaborate in a single central workspace. You can view and share files, not only 3D as I've shown, but 2D. I'm working on a PC, but you can actually access A360 on any device.